What's up, you guys? It's Jbunny and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tip and trick video. If you guys are interested in seeing how to take brass and bronze outdoor objects that get dirty like this and cleaning them using just everyday at-home products, definitely keep watching. I'm going to be sharing with you guys and showing you the process on how I clean this cool nautical bell. This was actually a bell from Key Largo and now we're installing it here at the house outside. I can't wait to show you the before and after results. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I put out videos every single week. All right, you guys, so to clean this bell, I'm gonna be using white vinegar. Also have my measuring cup right here. I have some all-purpose flour, and then in this cup right here I filled up with some water from the house. You're gonna need salt for the recipe. I have a paintbrush. I also have my mixing bowl and I have a mixing instrument. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt to my bowl. The next thing you're gonna need is 1 cup of vinegar. Now I'm just gonna mix that up really quickly just to kind of get the salt dissolved. And now I'm gonna start adding in my flour as I mix, just a little bit at a time. And you're gonna want to continually add flour until it becomes a paste. So not watery and not a solid, right in between. Alright, you guys, so this is the mixture that I have. Side note, I know I mentioned you needed water before. The water is in case you accidentally add too much flour, then you guys can add a little bit of water to this mixture and then your mixture can be thinned out. So yeah, the water is just in case, but I'm not going to be adding water. I think mine is perfect like this. Now it's time to paste up the bell using the mixture we just made. One last thing you're going to need is a drip tray, just because I would find a disposable means, like this is an empty cookie container. The things that are going to be coming off of your bell are not necessarily, I don't know, you don't know what kind of things are going to be coming off, what grit and grime, and I wouldn't want that leaking out onto my tabletop. You know what I just found is this cute round one, so I'm going to see if maybe that works a little bit better. Alrighty, I brought you guys in for a closer look so you can really see what's going on. I have the rope of the bell hanging off, so I don't really want that to get pasty. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna dip my paintbrush into my bowl and I'm just gonna start painting it on the bell. Maybe even drip a little over like this and then quickly brush it. You know what I'm gonna do? Take part of my flour bag. I'm gonna put it like this. So that was just a little ripped off piece from my flour bag. And yeah, now I can really keep painting. Now I'm going to wait 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys, so it's been a little over 5 minutes and now I'm actually going to do one more step. I'm going to take this toothbrush right here and I'm just going to lightly buff the mixture. The mixture is really getting a chance to work in. And then I'm going to continue to let it set. Also, you guys, no, don't reuse this toothbrush like for your mouth after you do this. I mean, I know that maybe to some people would be obvious, but I just want to throw that out there in case you're not thinking. Keep it for cleaning or throw it away. So I can actually really see the product working. All right, you guys, so here I have my extra mix. This is why that amount I made was actually perfect for this. Now I'm going to pour one more layer on top. This is a fresh mixture, the second half of what we made before. Alright, you guys, I have now done a second layer with 42 seconds left on the clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this fresh layer set for another 10 minutes. I cannot wait to show you guys the final result. This is really working magic on my old bell. Wow.
A few moments later.
Wow. Oh my God. Are you guys seeing how incredible this turned out? The real brass, real copper look of this bell has absolutely come back to life. This bell is at least 40 years old and it is looking brand new. And just to show you guys the difference, I did not clean the inside. This was the entire bell before we started this process. And now, wow, 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 wow. This is the tip and trick to bring all of your brass and copper objects back to life, looking like brand new in their full glory. All right, you guys, now let's go ahead and take this over to where I'm gonna finally install it at my house from Key Largo and now to my home here in Miami, Florida. This bell is getting a second life and I'm so happy I got to share the renovation of this amazing 40-plus-year-old bell with you guys. Okay, so now for the first time ever, I'm actually using a power drill. And yeah, you guys, it's super simple. I want to show you and myself that it's super easy, so let's not be intimidated by power tools. I'm going to install my bell over here and it's as simple as this. How much more?
Go in, a little bit more. Go, push it in.
More?
And now come back. Press it, coming back, yeah. Now you have the nice little...
That was a little hard, not gonna lie. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm actually getting help now. So, yeah, he's gonna do the next. Wow, you guys, the bell looks absolutely perfect there. Thanks for watching another video, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye, guys.